Today I'm going to play my favorite brawler named. As you can see, my favorite brawler named Nida. She's at right now 575 trophies. I'm gonna push her up to 600 back up to 600. So guys, as you can see, my match has started. I'm going to collect these 2 cubes. By the way, I forgot to tell you my Nida has max power. I'm playing with Hyper Bear. If anyone tries to conspire against me, he will die. And I have the gadget as well, as you can see on my screen. There is a bulldoze hiding inside. Let me ask for team. Yes, he does. I know, Bull, where are you hiding? Go take that one. No. Why am I entering this bush? Am I mad? Guys, I didn't thought that I would enter this bush. Where is everyone? I can't find anyone. There must be someone. Attack dollar? No, there is a bee. I killed her, you noob. Get lost. That's how the pro players do, guys. If you are a pro, comment down below how you guys play. And if you don't know how to play Brawl Stars, watch my videos. I'm going to tell you how to play him. How to play Brawl Stars game. I got my super, as you can guys see. Guys, I think I should be teaming with him. Bull, I can see you in the bush. Why are you coming out? Should I conspire this Bull? Let him come out then. Shelly! So now this Brock will die. As you can guys see, Nida is so OP. Get her maxed out and play with the Hyper Bear. The Hyper Bear will just destroy every single brawler in the game. No one can stand against Hyper Bear until and unless he's a pro. Look guys, I teamed up with Brock the entire game and killed him at the end. This is the trick to win the solo. Team up with a brawler, kill all the brawlers and kill him in the end. That's the trick to win. So now guys, as you can see, I'm taking this middle chest. I know that Rico will try to bully me. Let me show him a smile face. No. Nida and Nida should team up now, right? I believe in that theory where Nida and Nida should team up. Yeah, she also believe in the theory named Nida and Nida should team up. Let me see what's happening right there. There's a poor little Penny right here. There's a Sandy in the bush, so let me be careful. Yes, she killed him. I knew that there's going to be Sandy. No. Come out of the bush right now. As you can see, I conspired him. There's another max. Oh! No! I couldn't stun her before. So guys, we looked at that game. If I would have stunned her before she killed me, she would have been dead by the Hyper Bear. You can guys see Hyper Bear is the best. No one can defeat Hyper Bear. He comes on top of everyone. Some people can do like bees with the honeycomb star power. As this bee, this is the power 8 bee. As you can guys see, I have taken these two chests. I'm thinking of conspiring this BB. Sorry, B. I mean. Oh, so many people are hiding inside the bush. There is going to be dynamite inside. Ooh. You see that, guys? She conspired. As you can guys see, be careful while teaming. People might conspire against you. So guys, this matchmaking has stuck on number 4. I don't know why. I'm going in some other servers. As you can see, I got 6 trophies. Actually 8, but minus 2 as well. So it's 8 minus 2 is 6. So there's 6 brawlers right inside my server right now. Oh, there are 10 right now. Nice. So as you can guys see, I'm taking this chest. There has been a fight right there between some Jean and a Gale. I should not mess up with Gale. Gales are too strong. Right now the best brawler of the game. Unless I get my Hyper Bear, will not go near Gale. No. Now I can take these. I'm going away. कूद निकल मुझे मारेगी ना बेटी तू हाँ Why? Are the guys teaming up? First check, यार एक bee check भी करने दे. This bee is not letting me check if someone's there. So, as you can see, there's a Piper right inside there. Oh, now she is dead. As you can guys see, I got my Hyper Bear. So I can hide inside. Did you see that narrow escape? I killed the crow. Man, I killed the bee. Another Hyper Bear coming in. As you can guys see, I killed the Gale. I need to survive. I need to survive. No, she has the gadget. Yes, she does. Oh, that Gale. Are you kidding me? I'm 1 trophy behind. Come on, guys. Is this serious? I am seriously 1 trophy behind. I can't believe this. you can see, my matchmaker has started. That bee, why she is not destroying the chest coming after me? So as you can guys see, I'm dodging her as fast as I can. This bee. He's just going after me. Why? But she cannot kill me because I'm a pro, not a noob like her. Come on, bee. Take those chests and go away. Don't even think to come here. You see, bee? A crow tried to kill you. Now, what happened, bee? So I'm teaming up with bee. I know I can't kill her, but I can still win this game. Okay. I knew that what was that bee trying to do. That's why I let her do that. I need to get rid of this. No. Oh. No, that Rosebud got in rage. But guys, this is going to be end for this episode. As you guys can see, I've got to 600. My Nida is at 600 trophies. If you watched this video, enjoyed this video, like to this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure that you tell your friends to go see my channel, The Best Sprout of Brawl Stars.